Hello, this is Mrs. Lew. Let us look at this maths question. A, we have expressed 9 grams as a percentage of 4.9 kg. So it's actually 9 grams over 4.5 kg we convert to grams is 4,500 grams times 100 because they want a percentage. So you multiply by 100, that will give us 0.2%. So B, Anne bought a watch for $480. When she sold it, she made a profit of 135% off her cost price. So it's 135% off her cost price. So it's actually 235 over 100 times 480. So actually her selling price is $1,128. Or if you're unsure of this method, you can take 135 over 100 times 480. That will give you 648. 648, you have to plus the cost that she bought. That will give you 1,128 as well. You can use either method. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.